The efforts to grow organic apple in Manipur is bearing fruits at an organic apple farm which is located in Kakching, Mamangching, Laipam, Loknung. The apple farm, which is located just 1 kilometer from Kakching Lamkai, is owned by Dr. Y. Bhagyachandra. The idea to grow an apple variety that suits the soil and climate of Manipur struck Dr. Bhagyachandra when he was posted in Shimla. After his retirement, he ordered 200 saplings from Shimla, and out of which he planted about 120 saplings. But only 85 survived. At present, apple trees in the farm are growing well, and Dr. Bhagyachandra says he's expecting harvest of around 600 to 700 kilograms of organic apples. Expressing excitement on the prospect of good harvest, Dr. Bhagyachandra said he does not face any problem in finding markets for these apples, as people themselves would visit his farm and buy the apples at the price of Rs 250 per kg. He further expressed that various unemployed youths in the state can engage in apple farming and generate good income out of it with necessary assistance in the form of land and space from the government. Also speaking on the sidelines, social and cultural activist Rakesh Naurim also expressed confidence that youths in the state can earn good income through apple farming.
Level Sempa se 2020 gi November time Kunipan na presentation tawjabani. Masi aigi tasembadi char singasi direct Shimla dagi sienbani Shimla Dimapur la khoina gali lawrubani adu aina sengna matamda mapan chawm lo thambani adu aigi area sempan chama kun ga thaba challe chama kun ji thana honna bada siba changma tawduna mayam khara sigiba khotpa tor hisi mapan 85 kum hinga leiri bise huji phawda hi iba semase aigi ai topa exact calculation toba ngamdre adu kiji chali gum sang hekre adu purap si hekpa matamda kiji 607 tumbadi phangadra haina e mana asa tawi huji aigi leiriba kano se semse ne kidal pasani khari yoli adu aina aigi nuaiba amadi ai market da chatana yolobagi pungchab se ngon suleitre maramdi yolunabagi tanjadu phangre maramdi aigi apple farm se laaga mayamna lobiraba jimdagi lawraba adu ngatu oibnina huji phawbagi onadi semsi yonbagi awaba du mokte ngon tenadi